5 best Apple phone of all time. Now, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and like, comment, and tell me which one is your favorite among all these phones. So on number 5 spot is the iPhone 5. So this iPhone was the one that changed everything about iPhone, because it comes with Touch ID and the Apple fingerprint technology. So that changed everything about Apple device, even up to today. Now on number 4 spot is the iPhone 4. So this iPhone literally was the one that brought the back of the phone and the front of the phone to be glass. So it changed everything, and it also comes with a sleek design, the design that Apple is using even up to today. Then on the 3rd spot is the iPhone 6. So this iPhone was the one that changed the screen of the whole Apple iPhone. Apple iPhone used to be less than 4 inches wide, but this iPhone 6 was the first that introduced the wider screen. So it started with 5.5 inches compared to now that we have like 6.8 inches and even the rumored 7.1 inches. So this device was the one that also introduced the Apple Pay that we are using today. Then on the 2nd spot is the iPhone X. So this phone, I don't know, everybody just love this phone because it's durable. The Face ID was first introduced by iPhone X, and it comes with this OLED display, and it has a lot of functionality. So on the 2nd spot is iPhone X, no two ways about it. And on number 1 spot, which is the best iPhone of all time that Apple has released, that changed everything about iPhone, is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This iPhone comes with a very strong battery capacity. It also helps in the camera quality. This iPhone changed everything, and this iPhone was the first iPhone that used the Bionic chipset, the A14 Bionic chipset, that made iPhone to be running seamlessly and effortlessly smooth. So these are the top 5 phones that change everything in Apple ecosystem. So I want to also hear your opinion on this on the comment section. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out.